Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is me Anisha. So this clip was of a Saturday and I had bought the swing wala juice. Like this was after college, I mean school, and I also wanted to show you all that we got portions like for that time on the Saturday. It was only like few subjects like only bio, home science and chemistry we had got, but today, which is Wednesday, when I'm editing video, like we got all the subjects also. And I was showing you guys here, we had Wednesday test, which was chemistry. We had two questions to study. Like she said, this only I'll give 5 marks total, study properly and come. And that is what I'm showing you all. And at last, I am showing you all the study space, like which I always do. And then I'm showing you here the nature at the afternoon. It was like really sunny and good. I love sunny weathers, guys. And you can see after that I got a little bit of hungry, and I did my lunch and I did this omelette by myself. Like I don't really cook, but some basic things I know to cook, or even if I don't know, I try to seek help from YouTube. And anyways, here I was making myself an omelette with my food, and after that it was almost evening. I procrastinated and I just slept for a while, and I came up and saw this view. Then later I had some cookies, and I honestly tell you guys, I don't read on weekends like on Saturday at all. And next clip, it was of Sunday, where I wanted to show you all my home science record as I completed it. So I just wanted to show you all like how it looks or something. And in the index page, guess what, I literally did mistakes. Like the numbers, we had to leave line and write, but I wrote it continuously and I had to stick paper on it to hide it. I hope it's not visible, fingers crossed. And by the way, from far it looks pretty normal. And this is my home science record, and it's pretty okayish, I think, according to me. The page which I like the most was of this. It is preparation of healthy snack for adolescents, and it's so good. We had a lot of fun in practicals as well by making some salad. And this is also like a pretty good page where I stuck fabrics and all. And this is the last experiment, which was of care labels. And in total we had to write 10 experiments, and we completed it, which we had to submit it on Thursday. And this clip was of the morning on Monday, which was actually holiday, but it was 8:25. But we had class, chemistry extra class, because she hadn't completed her portions, and we had to go to college at 10:45, and it ended at 12. And after coming, I saw this bunch of chocolates and other items which really made me happy, and I also had few. And this is me showing you all, like not really a haul, but still I'm just showing you all whatever I didn't get, but whatever had bought to home. And the perfume smelled absolutely perfect. I really liked it, guys. I would wear it every day for real. Then later I had something because I was so hungry, and I had this pasta made by my mother, and it was okay, it was nice. And then later sat down to study, and I studied physics and thermodynamics. And I also ate some chocolates with that, and just wrappers, lying there. And then stuffed my mini dustbin with those, and I'm just studying the chapter, but I usually study through phone. This is me after studying, actually, if I have to say, because I don't know how to record when I'm studying with the phone. And it was almost 5:30 in the evening, and yeah, this was me after studying. And that is my book where I usually practice questions, or take the seek of the help of YouTube or something to study and make my notes. And this is a clip of me filling up my pouch and packing all my materials or the study stuffs which I had taken to write my notes. So yeah, if you're watching till here, make sure to like this video and support me by subscribing. And yeah, By this, I ended up my study session of physics. And this was a clip of yesterday, which was Tuesday. And guess what, guys? I had bought this sticky notes for 40 rupees, but it's actually with worth of 70 rupees. Like the MRP was 70, but he gave it for 40. And I was like so happy because I got profit. And yeah, I was just showing you all that. And I also was showing you all like this I bought long back ago, like 2-3 weeks ago. This is like page marker sort of things, and it's actually helpful, and it's a really good for sticking in any page. I guess it's page marker, I'm not sure, but still it is really good, but I don't use it all the time. And there are availables of 4 to 5 colors. I don't use it. I got it for 50, but still I didn't don't use it that much, and I have to be using for upcoming videos and for my studies too. And this is the book I'm currently reading. Guys, if you have read this, make sure to comment down and tell me your reviews about that. And then here is me taking my diary. Like after I come from college, I obviously remember all of my books, but here I'm just showing you like I had to show you some things. Like we had gotten some important questions from our physics sir, so I was just showing you. And I was just showing you all that tomorrow we had chemistry test, because this clip was of Tuesday and the next day was Wednesday, so that is why I was showing you all. And then here is me taking the books like I usually do, and there's nothing special about it. And this is our physics book. Yeah, I was just keeping those books and just a thumbs up at the end. Yay. And guys, here I'm also showing you the weather. It was really bright and sunny like the other normal day, and I'm showing you all the time too. It was 4:43. Yeah, it was 4:43 in the evening, and I was so relaxed and chilled. And this is a clip of me studying for my physics exam, and it was yesterday's clip. And I was practicing those 2 questions which we had to study when for today's test, and today we had our test and it went really good. And this is a clip of me studying for my chemistry test. Okay, so after studying, I ate, like I took a break and ate this kaju katli. It was super delicious, and I rewarded myself after studying. So this was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and hope you all will support me. And guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.